Are you guys really worried about what to do with your hair and you don't want to open your hair? So what to do? I have an idea. So as you guys already read the title, in today's video I'm going to show you 5 cute and easy hairstyles for summers, and these are perfect for medium to long hair girls and also those girls who want to take away all of your hair from your face. Then these hairstyles are perfect for you. And also guys, if you find this video helpful, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel here down below, and also hit the bell icon so you will notify about my upcoming videos whenever I will upload. And I am recently loving these hairstyles. If you wanted to know which hairstyles I am loving, so keep on watching this video till the end, and yeah, let's get into the video. So for the first hairstyle, I am going to taking a section, probably like a third of my hair, and gathering it to the back of my head and securing it with an elastic band. And I am just going to divide that into 2 equal parts, 1 and 2, and do a fishtail braid about halfway down. I think it looks cool when you don't go all the way down and you kind of just go halfway, and this is a hairstyle I do all the time and I really can't stand having my hair like down in my face. So if you don't know how to do a fishtail braid, then I have already made the video of a fishtail braid tutorial, so you can check out in my description or in my iCard. Now basically I am doing this braid till here or little more down, and then I will tie it with an elastic band, but make sure you tie it with your matching elastic band with your hair. And once the braid is finished, just go through the braid and pull apart the pieces to make it bigger, and it's that simple. I seriously wear this all the time. It's super cute and easy. So I love just like pulling my bangs pieces back. So I think this is super cute. You can wear it anytime, anywhere. This looks awesome. So hairstyle number 2, I'm going to go ahead and do a side parting and gather all of my hair over to one side. And then I'm just taking 3 sections from top of my head, like left, middle and right, and we are going to do a French braid. But you want to make sure that you are doing Dutch braid, which is when you cross the hairs of the braid underneath each other instead of top of each other. It's pretty simple. It just gives the braid a 3D effect. And if you still don't know how to do this braid, then I will put this Dutch braid tutorial in my description or in my iCard, so that you can learn from there step by step, because I have already made that tutorial on my channel, so check it out. But once I get down to my ear, I'm going to divide the middle section, which means divide the braid in half, and then continue down doing a fishtail braid. So I am basically just like changing the texture of my braid, if that makes sense. I think this looks really cool and kind of just like different. So then I'm just securing it with a small elastic band that matches your hair color. And of course, I'm going through and pulling apart all the pieces. I like to do this with every braid that I do. I think it just looks cuter, and I really like this kind of look, messier look. And it looks like your braid is like almost going to fall off, but it's not. And so then I just like to pull out a couple of front pieces, and that is the hairstyle. It's super cute, super easy, and this is perfect for like dirty and greasy hair, because you can't tell that your hair is dirty. I really like this braid. It looks awesome, and this is perfect for summer and perfect for medium to long hair. You can take away all of your hair from your face. I really like this look. So moving on to the third hairstyle, we are going to start with a side part, and this is one of my favorite ponytail hairstyles. So I'm just sectioning off the top little front section of my hair like that, and then I'm just going underneath and kind of sectioning of the bottom, so that I have like a section divided. That's like the front middle section of my hair, if that makes sense. So then, just like we did earlier, we are going to do a French Dutch braid. So I will just do a French braid and make sure the pieces are like crossing underneath each other instead of top of each other for that 3D effect. So I'm just braiding backwards. and this is going to be leading like into my ponytail. So you want to make sure you are braiding in like a straight line, and once you have gone as far as you can, just continue the braid down normally. And again, I'm just going through and pulling out some pieces to give my braid some texture and to just make it bigger. I think that it looks a lot cooler. So once I have done that, then I'm just going to gather all of my hair into my ponytail. You can do this like as high as or as low as you want. I kind of like medium, so that's it. Make sure you tie this ponytail very tightly, pull out some hair, and then this hairstyle is perfect for medium to long hair. I think it's super cute and super easy and just a really like adorable way to kind of dress upon a ponytail and make it look super beautiful. So I really like this ponytail. So this is the finished look. I really like this one. So moving on to the fourth hairstyle, I'm basically parting my hair from middle of my hair, and I am taking small section from top of my hair like this one section and start twisting it like this towards backwards. Make sure you twist it opposite side of your parting. And now pin it with a hairpin. You have to do the same thing all over your hair. Take a section, twist it backwards, twist it and then pin it with hairpin. So I am doing the same thing on the other side. But make sure you twist these strands opposite to the middle parting so that it will look really nice. So take a section, take it backwards, twist it and then pin it with hairpins like so. And just pull them little bit, and now gather all of your hair and make a ponytail. And I am not making high ponytail nor low ponytail. I like the kind of in the middle like that, and tie it very tightly. Pull your ponytail like this so that it will look messier, and now take out some strand from front of your face and it's done. This ponytail looks very cute. You can do this ponytail for school, college, etc. And this is very easy and quick to do ponytail. So I really like this design and this ponytail. Now for the last hairstyle, gather all of your hair and flip it because we are going to make a high bun. So first make a high ponytail and tie it tightly with an elastic hair tie. But you have to make a loop with last elastic, so wait for it. Also, you have to create a little loop out of the ponytail. It should look like something like this. Once the loop in the place, I'm just tugging it and pulling apart the edges to kind of create a full circle bun. And then the remaining of the hair can just be wrapped around the base of that. It is going to be really messy at first, and make sure you have a lot of bobby pins at hand. And pin it nicely so that it will not lose later. Now like this, now pull your hair little bit and take out some flakes from front of your face to look like a messier look, and it's done. This really is interesting bun that looks really very seamless and very full, which I really like. So this is the finished hairstyle. So I hope you find this video helpful.
So that's it for the video, guys. These are my top 5 favorite hairstyles for summers. So if you really enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel down below, and also comment down below which hairstyle you like in this video. And also guys, you can follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle here. I will keep you updated there about my personal life and about my YouTube videos. And also guys, if you recreate any of these hairstyles in this video, then don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. I will post your photo on my story. So yeah, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.